Good afternoon, all. The next guest who's going to present or talk about Seclor and the benefits that they have derived out of data-centric security is Mr. Marcel. Mr. Marcel happens to be the CTO of RapidCare. Thank you, Marcel, for giving us this opportunity to talk to you. I really appreciate that. So, Marcel, before we start, I would really like you to tell our audience more about RapidCare and also about your illustrious career there.
Sure. Thanks, first of all, thanks, Harsh, for the opportunity. And hello, everyone. I'm Marcel Vieira. I'm the CTO at RapidCare Private Limited. I'd just like to give you a brief introduction about RapidCare. RapidCare is an over 2-decade-old IT services company catering primarily to the US healthcare services market. And we've recently also entered the Australian healthcare market. So RapidCare provides services such as revenue cycle management, RCM for short, which includes billing and coding, medical record review, or MRR as it is known, transcription, both medical and legal transcription, and high-end KPO services. So RapidCare is based in Chennai, and we have our offices in the US as well. And of course, RapidCare is an ISO certified company. So that's just a brief introduction about RapidCare.
Thanks a lot, Marcel. And we would also like to know more about you. You have been a veteran in the IT industry, so people would definitely like to know more about you and your experience.
Yeah, I started out in the IT industry about 25 years ago. I started out specifically in the transcription industry, and then my passion has always been software, automation, and I developed a few software products of my own. Specifically ASR, automated speech recognition. So that's my passion. And I've been with RapidCare for the last 21 years, in fact. So I joined about a year after they started. So I, almost from baby steps, I've been with the company where we are just a handful of employees, and now we are close to 1,000. So
that's great. So thanks a lot for that, Marcel. Lovely introduction, and thank you to. Really great to have you here. Thanks a lot for that. So Marcel, to start with, you spoke about RapidCare. You spoke about the various domains that you operate in. To me, it sounds more like a more compliance-driven or regulated industry. So, what really prompted you to embark on the data-centric security or the DRM journey, really, the rights management journey?
Yeah. Actually, what really prompted us to start looking at applications like Seclor was the change in, the working environment. Previously, we were an all-in office, a secure physical setup, and then suddenly with COVID taking over, everyone had to move to a work-from-home setup. So while some end users use their own devices and some use the devices provided by the company, and we also have our IT staff log in remotely to check for USB disabling, firewall, antivirus setup, and stuff like that. But we still wanted it, felt it very necessary to have 100% control over the data, our clients' data, the data that our clients entrust us with. So I would say that it is more a matter of not just compliance, but a matter of trust.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks a lot for that, Marcel. So that really, brings a different question to my mind. RapidCare exchanges very critical PII information with a lot of customers. You handle out a lot of PII data, which is related to healthcare, which is a very private or a privacy-driven area, right? So how do you measure the controls of the risk of this exchange, the data exchange that you have? And how has Seclor really helped you in this aspect?
Yeah, even before COVID, we did have a small percentage of our employees working from home, like housewives and stuff like that. So we had a very basic work from home culture previously, but with COVID, we weren't really impacted that much because we deal primarily with digital data, and there's no physical products being manufactured. So, and before we sort of decided on Seclor, we trialed many other applications available in the market, which had, like sandboxing features and remote monitoring features, but we found that some of them were too extreme, like where it was sort of intrusive on the end users privacy, and we would require another set of employees to monitor those employees. So we were looking for something which an automated setup. So in this setup requirement, we came across Seclo, and it seemed to be a very neat fit. And I think the USP of Seclo was being almost 100% automated, way of controlling data in remote environments.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, as you rightly said, Marcel, we are very happy to know that we have been able to help you in the COVID times, and also particularly the data sharing that you have with your third parties. Also, we also have a lot of other customers where we are providing similar services. But you have been talking about the COVID area and what has really forced you to think about the data centric security as an option. So, how did you deal with the COVID-induced work from home, particularly in relation with the contract employees? I'm sure you have a lot of them. And did Seclor help in any ways in securing and monitoring the data going to people's home?
Yes, definitely. See, we wanted something where we could, actually control the data, the rights of the data, whether it was, just the read only or a full control, the file expiry, and in this context, we found that, one unique feature which Seclo had, which many other applications didn't have, was the time bombing feature, where we could, set a file expiry limit, like, for example, say 24 hours after which the file cannot be accessed, specifically like, say, audio files, so that was a very neat feature for us.
Excellent. So one of the other things that I can also think about, Marcel, for healthcare industry is HIPAA compliance. So do
Yes.
you think Seclor has really helped you in any ways in ensuring that you are able to comply with the regulations of HIPAA?
Yes, definitely. Because even though we are an ISO certified company, and we have all the policies already in place, but we wanted to go beyond the client's expectations. Like I said, it's a matter of trust, not just compliance.
Yes.
So, and with us, it's more passion than a business. We take.
Understand totally. Yeah. Now, because HIPAA has been one of the one of the key considerations for a lot of our healthcare customers, and looking at the overall business and the way you operate at RapidCare, I was certain that HIPAA would be one of the considerations that you would have. So, has the privacy regulations played any role in shaping your data protection strategy? Does data visibility provided by Seclor help you in any context?
Yes, definitely. Because we have to be HIPAA compliant for us to get work from our clients, because we cater to specifically to the US healthcare market. So yes, we did have policies in place, but we wanted to go above and beyond that, like the physical firewalls and the antivirus and stuff like that, ransomware protection, all that. But when it comes to the focus on data security, data which goes outside the office, that is where Seclo gave us a very neat fit, where we have 100% control over it. There's an audit trail. That was very interesting to us.
It is interesting to hear that Seclor has been of so much of help to RapidCare. Marcel, any parting thoughts that you have? Anything that the audience sitting here should be aware of?
Well, for people who have a very similar need to what we have, especially with this work from home culture, yes, I think they should give Seclo a trial, and I'm sure that they'll be more than surprised with what Seclo has to offer. Looking at just your clientele, like the Indian Navy, HDFC Bank and stuff like that, that's itself an impressive thing which speaks a lot for itself.
Thanks a lot, Marcel. And I believe you also were able to do a lot with the audio files that you had, right?
Yes.
I think that was a very unique use case that we.
Yeah, it's a non-standard format. Yeah, so that is where we control the files to the time bombing feature, where we set an expiry of say like 24, 48 hours. And after that, when we know that the end user doesn't require, the file expires and sort of encrypts itself and they cannot use it. So even if they were to move it to another location or another system or something like that. So
excellent. Thanks a lot, Marcel. It was really nice having you here for the Security Now event. Really appreciate you spending time with us. And we hope to continue the same service with you and looking forward to continue to work with you. Thanks a lot, Marcel, for being here.
Thanks,
Thank
Harsh. My pleasure.
Good
Thanks
day.
a lot.
See you. Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.